You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends, it's Hallie with Melody Lane Inspired, and it's time for a new Cricut mystery box. Now, this mystery box is Cosmo's Joy mystery box, so it is going to be filled with stuff that works for your joy. However, you can still use everything that's in this box, regardless what machine you have. And first things first, we're going to talk about the Cutie. So if you've seen the last mystery box that just came out a week ago, 2 weeks ago, the bottoms up mystery box, that came with the same Cutie, and it was a new Cutie, so it just released. And this is a beautiful color. People are really loving this one. This one is the Violet Cutie. How stinking pretty is Violet? So Violet is exactly that, Violet. Now I will go ahead and pop up here. I'll never get used to that, will I? I'm going to go ahead and pop up here a couple that he's close to, which is Lilac, but Lilac is a much softer color. True Purple is a much deeper color. And then what I didn't put here was Wisteria, but Wisteria is a different shade and it's like an iridescent finish too. So my purple people loving when they seen this. And you know, they're only available usually for like maybe 2 days. You never know how quick they'll sell out. Maybe 2 days at the max. So make sure you go ahead and grab your mystery box. And because we got that Cutie, this box is for Cricut Access members only. But if you're not Cricut Access, below in the links, you can go ahead and purchase our box and you can join Access also. So, and then it will tell you all the benefits of joining Access, which is a gazillion. I'd say over 1 million because it includes like over 1 million images, I think. So literally over 1 million things. And there's a bunch of vinyl in here. So we're going to go ahead and go through those vinyl colors. So we are getting removable smart vinyl. So these are going to be 5.5 by 48 inches. And any of these smart materials, if you don't have a joy, you can still totally use them. You're just going to put them on a mat then, and then cut them. So we are getting white here in cardinal red. That red too, perfect Christmas red. And we are also getting in the same vivid blue and petal. And that petal is like a peachy pink. Very pretty, almost coral. It's like almost coral, but not quite coral. And we're getting silver and coffee. Also in the removable smart vinyl. And also in the removable smart vinyl, we are getting party pink and green. And although these look a little different in there, green is like a normal green crayon, bright green. And then party pink is my favorite pink in Cricut. It's like the hot pink. And when you see these in person, these are exactly Wicked colors. So for my Wicked fans who want to do Wicked projects, pink and green. Ooh, you could put some silver with it too. And we're still going on the vinyl. We're not done yet. I told you guys, there's a bunch of colors of vinyl in here because we are also getting coral and bright yellow. Okay, so that is it for just the vinyl. So we had, I mean, this isn't even all of it. You got this plus 2 more that I can't hold right here, but you get all this. And these are all the smart removable vinyl, which everybody can use regardless of their machine. You just can use it matless on the Joy. Oh, these are really cool. And we're getting a roll of Smart Label, but this is really cool because it's dissolvable label. You might be thinking, well, why would I want dissolvable labels? These are perfect for labeling your food containers. So say you take food into the office or you just want to label it with dates that you made it or whatever, you can go ahead and put these on. And then when you're washing, it is going to literally dissolve. Kind of magical, but it does, it just dissolves. You're gonna get 5.5 inches by 3 feet of this. And to go ahead and apply all that vinyl, we are getting 5.5 by 20 feet of transfer tape. So, and you guys can go ahead and reuse transfer tape too. Remember, so don't just throw it away after you transfer something. You can go ahead and put that backing back on it and keep it. And go ahead and use it. I usually like slightly used transfer tape even better than fresh transfer tape. And remember, if it's too sticky fresh, you can go ahead and de-sticky it too. I like to take a clean white t-shirt and go ahead and go over it and you can de-sticky. Depending on what material you're using and what you're transferring it on, sometimes you really need that less stickiness. And then last but not least, we are getting Cricut Joy permanent markers. Now these to me are just like Sharpies. So you're getting the red, the blue, and the green. Now these will fit in the Cricut Joy machines. If you don't have a Joy, you won't be able to put these in your machine per se, but you can just go ahead and still use these and write with these. But these are great permanent markers. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Cosmos Joy mystery box. The price of the box is $49.99 US and $69.99 Canadian. You do get your access discount on top of that. And just like all mystery boxes, quantities are very limited. You never know if it's going to sell out in 20 minutes or sell out in 2 days, but 2 days is usually about the max. So if you want to purchase it, and I have noticed pink cuties and purple cuties seem to be the most loved colors, and they go the quickest. And you can use the links in the video description below to go ahead and purchase those boxes. We greatly appreciate so much when you guys do that. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We always greatly appreciate it. I know there are so many options out there on who you want to watch, and we are forever grateful that you choose to watch us. And I hope it brings a little joy to your day. I know mystery boxes bring joys to me. Joys? Mystery boxes bring joys to me. I know they bring joy to me, and the cuties do too. Always excited for a new cutie. And you can create so much joy with what's in the mystery box too. So mystery boxes are their own joy. Thank you guys to those who are watching us, who are liking, who are commenting, who subscribe, and to our Patreons. You guys are rock stars and our rock star admin team. So until next time, happy crafting everyone. Hope you guys have a fabulous week filled with lots of whatever brings you joy. And we will see you guys next time. Toodles! Happy crafting!